Abhishek, first of all, a very good morning and welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so Abhishek, we all know आपके लिए acting तो नया नहीं है, but TV पे काम करना ये definitely नया है. तो बताइए कैसा लग रहा है सुबह सुबह, waking up and you doing the 12-hour shift, किस तरह से अभी तक चल रहा है ये आपके लिए?
Actually, मैंने इससे पहले भी कुछ 3 सीरियल्स में काम किए हैं.
Right.
But and then I worked in a film.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, experience is totally same, honestly, because in films also we do 12-hour shift. We have to get up early and we have to be on time to, be there on set. And likewise here also I have to get up early in the morning because my set is 2 hours away from my house.
Yes,
and then there's like lots of traffic I have to face while coming, while going and coming back. So that's why I have to get up so early. But otherwise everything is same, and I'm just loving this whole experience. And life is more organized because you're getting up, early in the morning, doing your workout, going to the shoot, coming back and just sleep.
Right. I think only Nigam brothers are happy, to wake up early and to have that workout, especially in this thing. Okay. So Abhishek, tell me, of course, when you were offered this show, what was the reason? मतलब इस show को हाँ कहने के पीछे वो क्या एक reason था जो आपने show को हाँ कहा?
I was desperate to do the show, honestly. For the first time when I saw the promo of the show, like the very first promo, that whole animated character was walking and he came and pulled the, Sub TV, Sub Sony's logo. So they're like, me and my brother, we both were sitting and we were just watching. So I was like, yaar, ऐसे टाइप का कुछ शो करना है मुझे, like this is something I really want to do. और कुछ ऐसा मिले तो करने में मजा आएगा. तो मतलब वो एक ऐसे ही मतलब वो दुआ कबूल हो गई बस हमारी. And then I got auditioned for that, but things didn't work out for me. At that time, during March, I think March I gave audition, and then after 2-3 months again I was called for the audition, and then I got selected for the show.
Right. Abhishek, we've already heard that काफी physical, transformation हुआ है. But और क्या अगर हम कहें, what are the challenges, you are facing right now when it comes to acting or the physical transformation इस character के लिए, तो वो क्या होंगे?
For me, the biggest transformation was my physical transformation, because I'm not so used to all like, jumping, kicking, parkour, boxing, gymnastics. There's a lot of physical work is there. And my habit of doing all of these, like, totally, got away. Because I was studying law, and उसमें पढ़ाई में तो, like, आपको इतनी चीजें करनी नहीं होती. You just write down. I was very, calm. My body was at very, rest. And then suddenly I had to do like lots of stunt, harness. So I still don't believe, like, my body is still, not believing that, I am giving so much of physical trauma to my body.
Right.
But of course, I'll get used to it, and I have worked out for that. I got trained myself. I took training in kickboxing, parkour, gymnastics, and everything. So, but overall, this whole experience is totally amazing for me, and I'm just loving the whole vibe of it.
Right. And the great part is that, if I'm not wrong, you're playing a stuntman, if I'm not wrong. And, हमेशा कहा ही जाता है कि, ये जो stuntman रहते हैं, इन्हें कभी अपना due मिल ही नहीं पाया Bollywood में. So hoping कि, आपके portrayal से, actual में जो behind the scenes इतनी मेहनत जाती है, people will actually get to know that actually.
Yeah, actually, in my show, we mostly like when we do all of these things, and when I see somebody, doing the difficult stunts for me, I feel little, that, like for me, if I'm playing a stuntman, I should do all my stunts by myself. But my stunt director always guides me and says, do as we do that much where we have control over it, and over. और उसके ऊपर if you want to do like थोड़ा you have to be more prepared and trained. But in this whole show also, I tried to do all my stunts by myself, like the whole bike ride on the rift and the whole वो जो
Hmm.
पूरा पहाड़ पे वैली पे all the bike
Right.
stunts and the whole entry scene का stunt.
Hmm.
I just loved doing all of those stunts, and I
Hmm.
just loved doing that also. So we
Okay.
love amazing experience.
Okay, but Abhishek, what is your mom's reaction? Because doing a character of stuntman, वैसे भी बहुत सारे physical challenges होते हैं. So what is your mom's reaction? I mean, does she get scared? जब आप बताते हो, okay, आज ये scene करना है. What is her reaction?
Very funny because she comes on set. So when
Okay.
she goes to Siddharth's set and Siddharth is doing all those flip and all,
Hmm.
she gets like, बहुत बढ़िया ये तो करता है. But when she comes to my set and watch me doing all of this, mummy is like कि मुझे तो यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि ये ऐसा कर कैसे रहा है. मेरे को
Right.
तो अपनी आंखों पे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है.
Hmm.
Because there was one time I had to do a skating scene.
Hmm.
It was in the third episode. I had to do a skating scene. And
Hmm.
मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी skates नहीं चलाए थे.
Okay.
But on the day of shoot, I got the pair of skates और मैंने
Hmm.
उसको पहना and मैं खड़ा हो गया. And I
Hmm.
was literally doing the whole stunt by myself on
Hmm.
skates and on the roads. So my
Hmm.
mom was like, ये हो कैसे रहा है, कर कैसे रहा है, ये
Right,
हो क्या
right.
गया.
Right. Okay. Abhishek, this last few questions. So, we all
Yeah.
know that, your brother, Siddharth, acting skills के साथ, उनके physical attributes के लिए भी जाने जाते हैं. तो उन्होंने कितनी मदद की जब आपको पता चला कि आपको एक particular body, बनानी है इसके लिए. तो उन्होंने physical transformation या फिर acting की भी बात की जाए तो कितनी मदद की आपकी?
Actually, हम दोनों का बहुत ही मतलब ऐसा होता है कि we always inspire and guide each other
Yeah.
in whatever ways we can. So
Right.
in this one, the more the guidance I needed was in stunt and whole physical transformation part. So I went like the day I signed the show, he came to me कि now दादा now अब आपको ना ये stunt और ये back flip और ये सब कुछ सीखना होगा और अब
जी.
कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा. So he gave me the notes, he told me the tricks and everything, and then I joined the classes of the whole parkour and all. So Nadeem is my trainer. He started training me, but I used to come back home. I used to show him the video. इसमें गलती क्या है बताओ. So
Right.
that's the way he always guides me to do the right stunts and flips and all.
Right, right. Okay, Abhishek, we all know that, जब भी आपके group में किसी को भी project मिलता है, your whole group circle, whether it is Vaishnavi or, all the other people, they get really excited and बहुत support करते हैं एक दूसरे को. तो बताइए जब आपने अपने group को बताया, okay, I've got this project, कौन था जो सबसे ज्यादा excited था as well as nervous भी था आपके लिए? Because, bagging a lead show on a TV is not a small thing. It's a huge responsibility.
Yeah.
तो वो
Yeah.
कौन था जो सबसे ज्यादा नर्वस बट एक्साइटेड भी था और बहुत सारे टिप्स भी दिए थे आपको?
Sorry.
No, not
कट
an issue,
हो
not
गया
an
था.
issue. Yeah,
Yeah.
not
So
an issue.
actually जिन हालातों में मैंने ये शो साइन किया था मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था कि जिस दिन मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया दैट डे आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट दैट आई एम डूइंग हीरो. एंड सो जब मैं साइन करके वापस आया तो मुझे बोला गया कि यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू टेल दिस एनीवन. सो अभी वो ये रहा था कि आई वांटेड टू like shout, but I couldn't because of the protocols that the production house led. But when everybody got to know that when the promo came out and everybody got to know that Abhishek is doing the show, so everybody got so happy. And like all my friends, like my Pune friends, my college friends, and my the whole fraternity, जो हमारा पूरा group है वो.
Right.
Because I just felt that they all wanted that I should do something like this. And so I would say that it's all their blessings, and everyone got so happy and excited about this ki now Abhishek is coming, and now we will watch him now. So,
right.
So for me it was more like a responsibility. Now I have to prove myself ki, that I just want to just do justice to what I've the opportunity that I've received.
Right, right. Okay, Abhishek, I'm just going to ask you last two question. How's it working
Yeah.
with Yesha? I mean, I know आपने अभी shoot start किया है, but जितना भी अगर आपने Yesha के साथ shoot किया, because fans are also excited. I mean, apart from the story, आप दोनों की on screen chemistry किस तरह से दिखेगी screen पे, इसके लिए भी काफी ज्यादा excited है. तो उनके साथ जितना भी काम किया है, कैसा लगा?
I think Yesha is an absolutely amazing artist in person. Or
हम्म
I never thought that I'll get so comfortable, working with someone in such short span of time. I think
हम्म
within 2 days we became very good friends. We became so
हम्म
comfortable with each other, and she's very sweet. She's
हम्म
very, I would say, she's a very sweet soul, and
हम्म
very supportive. And
हम्म
it's very good that we started sharing that comfort level and all, and
right.
she's very inspiring also, because I still remember my mock shoot was happening, and she came and she really performed so well in front of me, and I was like,
हम्म
"Ki, and then there I said, yeah, I think she's going to be the Zara, and then that's what happened.
right.
And I'm really thankful that I really got to work with the Yesha, and she's very amazing. She's an
Right.
amazing artist.
Right, right. Okay, Abhishek, tell me, this how the situation is, the COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah,
बहुत सारे actors actual में अपने आप को बचा रहे हैं shoot करने से जब तक बचा सके. So of course Siddharth started shooting जैसे ही उनका show शुरू हुआ. You taking a decision कि अब मैं भी जाके shoot करूंगा. There is always a risk factor. So as a family, how did you guys actually decided and came on the situation कि okay, although it is COVID, but we will go out and we will work. So ये किस तरह से decide हुआ?
I think everybody here in 2020 has, like, so many people lost their jobs.
Right.
So many people lost so much, and this is the time where you just cannot lose an opportunity, and something so big comes to you, and so there's no option of you saying that I don't want to do or something like that. So
Right.
for me, the work came to me, and the work came to me in such times where it is very difficult to get. Uh, Really sorry, my mom is calling continuously in the
No, no,
morning. She's
that's
just
okay.
worried that I've gotten up or not. So,
That's okay.
so in 2020, if I'm getting such big role and I'm getting such big opportunity, for
Hmm.
me, I just have no option other than saying, ki, "Arey, I don't want to do." But
Hmm.
yes, of course, there's a sense of responsibility which has to be in everybody's mind, that we are going to work in a scenario like this. We have to be a little more responsible and careful and precautious. And according to me, everybody is working.
Hmm.
According to me, everybody is, kind of going through this time and fighting. I'm
Hmm.
doing nothing, we as an actor also, like, have to earn for our living, and
Hmm.
we have to be working to, run our families and everything. So for me, like, I still, when I go, I see lots of traffic and everything is like, all, but everybody is now wearing
Hmm.
masks. Everybody's kind
Yeah.
of not spitting out. Everybody's kind of, maintaining a social distance. So all of that, are into consideration, and the life, goes on,
Right.
something like this.
Okay. So Abhishek, the last question I wanted to ask you, matlab, when you backed this project, of course, uh, you and Siddharth are having a lead show on your name and on a very popular channel. तो किस तरह से वो proud moment, आपकी mom के लिए था, या as a family, when you sit and discuss, so वो किस तरह की बातें होती है, because it is a big thing, कि घर के दो लोग एंड इतने बड़े चैनल पे दो लीड शो बैक करना, तो किस तरह की बातें होती है, आप तीनों में किस तरह की वो फीलिंग है?
हमारी मम्मी तो खैर काफी काम रहती है इस चीज को लेके.
राइट. ओके.
शी इज नॉट लाइक कि अरे कुछ ज्यादा बहुत बड़ी चीज कर ली है हमने.
राइट.
बट हम दोनों भाई कभी कभी फील ले लेते हैं. बस मतलब साथ में बैठ के जैसे देखते हैं, अरे एक भाई अलग एक भाई, ऐसे कभी कभी मस्ती हम लोग करते हैं साथ में, कि
जी.
हाँ थोड़ा. बट
जी.
मम्मी तो, मतलब मम्मी इज तो वेरी हैप्पी, एंड बस भगवान से यही दुआ है कि मतलब ऐसी सारी चीजें बनी रहे और इसी तरह से अच्छी चीजें
जी.
होती रहे. और
जी.
हमारी मम्मी की यही खास बात है कि वो कभी भी कुछ भी ना हमारे सर पे नहीं चढ़ने देती हैं, और कभी भी
जी.
कुछ भी हमें, शी ऑलवेज कीप्स अस ऑन अ वेरी, humble note, and she always, हाँ कोई बहुत बड़ा काम नहीं कर लिया है तुमने, ठीक है.
जी.
लॉ कंप्लीट कर लो पहले, अपनी LLM करो जाके.
जी. जी.
So she's like
ओके.
that. तो हम 3 लोग हैं घर पे, तो it's very balanced atmosphere.
राइट. ओके. सो लास्टली अपने फैंस को कुछ मैसेज देते हुए आपसे बस ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि हर एक एक्टर जब एक कैरेक्टर करता है उसे बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं उस कैरेक्टर से कि ये मेरे करियर को यहाँ लेके जाएगा या एज एन एक्टर मुझे इस लेवल तक लेके जाएगा. अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है इस कैरेक्टर से और इस शो से?
Firstly, for my fans, that this is a very great opportunity for me to give something to you from this character, and I hope that I am going to entertain you and you're going to love this character. And for me, I think this is going to be I don't know much, but I'm mostly sure that the type of show we are making and the type of character I'm playing and the hard work I'm putting in, it's always going to come back to me, and there will be a payback. And
Right.
ये सबको मतलब मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है पसंद आएगा, सब इसे पसंद भी करेंगे. और मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज यही है कि ये 2 कैरेक्टर्स मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ इसमें.
हम्म.
एक जो वीर है, एक स्टंटमैन है, बहुत ही compassionate, responsible, loving, witty, and the same time when he wears the ring, he become little, because that is an evil ring. तो वो पहनने के बाद अंदर की जो आपकी जो डिजायर्स होती हैं, अंदर की जो आपकी छोटी मोटी शैतानियां होती हैं, वो बाहर आती हैं. So it changes the characters. For me as an artist also is a very big challenge. और अगर हर रोल करके कुछ ना कुछ फायदा होता है. Every role puts you on a graph जहाँ पे आप ऊपर जाते हो, और मुझे लगता है ये मुझे काफी लेके जाएगा. और बस अभी जितना ज्यादा मुझे प्यार मिलेगा इस कैरेक्टर को, और जितना ज्यादा लोग इसको सराहेंगे और आगे बढ़ेगा, उसके हिसाब से बस चीजें मिलती जाएंगी.
जी. So Abhishek, thank you so much for the interview, and we really wish, hope, and we know that this show will do wonders for you as well as for the channel. So thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Thank you so much. You too.
Hi everyone, this is Siddharth Nigam and you're watching Blitz Vision USA.